Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30192. And this is the Racers Ferrari F40. Now, if you like this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I'm currently planning on doing one of these a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I've done one of these a day, every day, for the past almost 6 months. So, if you like this kind of thing, there's plenty more on the way. If you're interested in this set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon and on Bricklink. And also, I've included a link to Brickset if you just need general information about the set itself. And the Brickset link has all the contents of the pieces and etc. that goes along with it. Now, yesterday we looked at another one of these racers, and they have the little pullback motor thing, and that's really cool. Alright, so we are shackled with more stickers, but one thing that's not stickered is this. It's kind of an interesting printed piece. Yeah, we got stickers for, I don't know, tell you. We got stickers for this stuff, these parts. So, I mean, like, there's a decent number of stickers, but I don't like stickers. I don't like stickering my Legos. So, we won't be doing that. But, I am super happy about this. I like the interesting printed pieces. Alright. So, let's slide this stuff a little bit out of the way, and we'll take a look at putting this thing together. So far, I've been enjoying these little cars. And I'm surprised how much I enjoyed the little car with the motor. Alright, so once again, it's kind of like start with that. And then we start with that, and then we stick a big piece on top. Like so. And then, so we're going to put a couple of little side things on it. So 1 and 2. This random blue 1x2 is trying to escape. So that pops on there, like so. And there's the blue piece. It just showed up. Alright, I guess we're talking about it, so it's like, I gotta show up now. And this goes there. And then, alright, this goes underneath there. And we have a couple of 1x1 bricks going there and there. Oops. For some reason it's just, there we go. Alright. Now, we skip the ever so terrible step of applying stickers, but we do put those little yellow pieces on. Because, you know, you gotta do that. Put that yellow piece on, and this yellow piece on. Yeah, that's right. So we got those on, and next we add a little axle to the front. Alright, so we got that, and then we add this piece right here, which is super cool. I like this piece a lot. That's a neat piece. I wonder if it's unique to this set. I'll have to check and see. You can check it if you're interested in specific pieces. if you look at the brick set description, there's a part of one of the little selections above it is you can look. It'll say like parts, and it'll give you a number. And what you can do is, oh, I forgot those. What you can do is, if you click on the parts, it'll show you each individual part, and it'll tell you like how many sets each part shows up in. And so if it shows up in only one set, then that'll answer your question how rare it is, how hard to find the piece is. Alright, so we got that. And then, alright. This is a little more involved than I was expecting to be. Neat. Alright, we skipped the sticker step, because, you know, that's how we roll. And then that goes on there. And then, actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to take care of this. So, take care of this right away. Sort of jump around a teeny bit in the order. So that'll get us our brakes and stuff. There's that. That gets us that. And then we gotta have like a little bumper thing. It's where these G-slips come in. Gives us our bumper effect. Like so. That takes care of that. Alright. And so this is going on the back. Right here. Like so. So that gives us the back of the car. And then these go on. Takes care of that. And we're going to build up a little thing in the back for the airfoil. Like so. And like so. And I think I bumped that a little bit. Alright. Oh. Huh. Oh, oops. Okay, that's easy to fix. So this actually goes right here. Like that. And then these go on top of that. Okay, that looks much better actually. So we got that. So, extra piece-wise, it looks like we got these. But I'm trying to figure out where, like if I missed a spot for that 1x2 tile. Y'all see a spot I missed maybe? I don't see one anywhere. Alright, so let's pop on the wheels. So I gotta tell you, another one of these cars that I really am liking. This is a cool looking one. And like even without the stickers, it's neat looking. Alright. That's one thing that's sort of interesting though. When you're putting on the wheels, and it happened with the last one too, like sometimes what you have to do is when you initially put it on, it's going to be off a little bit. And if it ends up not going on right away, just twist it a teeny bit, and then that way it'll go on. Alright, so let's try this one out. Yeah, again, neat. Alright. I like the cars. This kind of makes me want to build like a little track for them almost out of Legos. I wonder if there's like a racing set that goes with these. I'll have to look and see. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.